get into the NewsWatch and start moving. So I've already checked with Eusebio and where are we? The top parts. The critical, the long-term news, like critical, important, and ongoing long-term stuff. There is no change in those. So we will hit the short-term stuff right away, like the news events themselves. And let's do it. Hey, Kent. Over to you, Eusebio.
Okay, on Sunday, are you sure the clock is okay?
Should be.
On your, yeah?
I'll refresh. 403.
Yeah,
yep.
403, yeah, okay. So on Sunday, we have the Kiwi trade balance, all time frames.
Yep.
And that's it for Sunday. On Monday, we will have, I will monitor the Bank of Japan core CPI year over year. I will monitor the German E4 business climate. Then we have Vliege speaking from the Bank of England.
Okay.
Due to speak about what we have learned in the past 6 years about demographics, debt and distribution. Certainly an interesting subject, but no, it will have no impact. And then I will monitor the US dollar new home sales.
Okay.
Because the new home sales in USA is an excellent indicator for to see if the economy is recovering nicely or not.
Hey, Ralph.
On Tuesday, hello Ralph, welcome. On Tuesday, Tuesday. So we have Kuroda speaking from the Bank of Japan. Due to speak at an online event hosted by the Japan National Press Club. No, let's forget. Then we have the Euro M3 money supply year over year all-time frames. Then we have the US dollar core durable goods orders and durable goods order month over month under H4.
Yep.
M3 money supply crosses all time frames.
Oh, okay. Knew there was one. Right. Thanks.
Yeah. Then we have the Bell speaking. Due to speak at the FX Market USA online conference. No, let's forget. We have the US dollar CB consumer confidence, very important, so all time frames. I will monitor the Yen Bank of Japan summary of opinions. And then we have the Aussie CPI and trimmed mean CPI quarter over quarter, all time frames.
Okay. Got
and that is for Tuesday. Wednesday, I will monitor the German GfK consumer climate. We have the pound national HPI, nationwide HPI month over month under H4.
Monitor. Sorry.
No.
Yeah,
monitor for the GfK, yeah.
Yep.
And nationwide HPI under H4, yeah.
Good job, thanks.
Then we have the CAD CPI month over month and core CPI month over month all time frames.
Yep.
Then we will have to monitor the crude oil inventories.
Yep.
And then a big red with the Fed from C statement, Federal funds rate from C press conference.
Yep.
Then, and that's it for Wednesday.
Okay, Thursday.
On Thursday, yeah. On Thursday, we will have, I will monitor the Euro-German preliminary CPI month over month. Monitor the Italian 10-year bond auction.
Sorry?
German preliminary CPI month over month, the first of the list.
Oh, okay, monitor.
Yeah. Then the Italian 10-year bond auction.
Yep.
Then we have the US dollar advent GDP quarter over quarter all time frames, as well as the advent GDP price index quarter over quarter.
No, that's that one.
and I will monitor the US dollar unemployment claims.
Yep.
Monitor the US dollar natural gas storage.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it for Thursday. And on Friday.
Okay. And at least this week's a bit newsier. There's about 90 separate ones, but
so Friday we will have. I will monitor the Swiss COF economic barometer. Not a lot. We will have then the CAD GDP month-over-month all-time frames.
Yep.
And the US dollar Chicago PMI under H4.
Okay.
And if you can scroll down for the last two lines in the calendar so that I can see. Yeah, monitor the Chinese manufacturing PMI and non-manufacturing PMI.
Okay, yeah. Done.
That's it.
Right. So the reason we go through these is so that you've got some idea when you're trading the timeframes, what you should be doing. So anything that's marked under all timeframes, don't place any orders 1 hour prior. Get out of that trade, excuse me, within half an hour of the news coming out. This is because of volatility in the news. It's not so volatile these days, so you could perhaps creep a bit closer to it, but don't let yourself trade through, otherwise you could get a nasty surprise. We're trying to protect your account, not the profits necessarily. If you're in the standard or a SAM course or advanced, and you've got lots of scale-ins open, then you can pair some off so that you can sail through it easily, but just reduce your risk, your open position, so that you don't have so much at risk if there is a big surprise. Okay, the ones that marked monitor are more for interest's sake, to get a general lay of the land. And the top pairs eventually found these ones. I kept putting in the wrong numbers. Sorry, Sabio. So the top 10 pairs are here. The actual, I can pull this over. The ranges are still really small. Started off at 1,500 and have just stayed around about the $1,000 maximum range up to now, creeping up to 1,100. But compared to what it was a couple of years ago, where they were up here, 1,300, still not that much. Yeah, they're around about $2,000 to $3,000 per pair. In the olden days, these are pretty miserable, so you have to be really accurate with what you're doing. Very careful, watch your money. The whole idea is to protect your account so that you can keep trading. Okay, so here's the top 10 pairs that you can monitor based on the last 4 weeks dollar range, not the pip range, because some of the pips are more expensive than others. And how far down do you want to go here, Eusebio?
You can go down to the Aussie US dollar. That's good. Okay,
so over here, what we do now is match up the news for each day along with US dollar about there. With the top 10 pairs, so US dollar, Aussie, kill those. So where is it? Bringing this up. And I don't need you. And again, thanks to Nathan for reminding me we can have the same spreadsheet up on the screen twice, so we don't need to keep scrolling up and down all the time. So for Monday's news events, we have on Sunday we've got the Kiwi.
The Kiwi, so here, here, and here, okay.
And up to 5 p.m. we have nothing on Monday. So just
okay, so we will have the pound Kiwi or pound Aussie. Let me check something, because I think I don't have the pound Aussie. That's really strange. For the first time, the pound Aussie is really far in the list. So I will no longer associate both pound Kiwi and pound Aussie, Chris, for this week.
Okay.
So I propose so for Monday, so pound Kiwi or euro Kiwi.
Okay. That's probably because they've had to go into lockdown over there. We're not accepting.
Yeah. Then the Kiwi yen or the pound yen.
Why did it do that? Excuse me, hang on. Kiwi yen.
Kiwi
Really?
yen, yeah, or pound yen.
Okay.
And then the pound US dollar or pound CAD.
It's close, but not quite.
The pound yen. No, sorry, the pound, what have I said?
Pound dollar.
Pound dollar or pound CAD.
Yep. Okay, Tuesday, we have nothing from Monday. And we've got the euro.
The euro here and here, yeah.
The US dollar.
The US dollar, so here and here, yeah.
And that's it. Oh no, there's a hole in the middle of Tuesday. No, it's not. Oh. That is it, yeah. Tuesday we've got the Aussie.
The Aussie also?
No, later on Aussie.
Okay. So we will have the euro Kiwi or the pound US dollar. Euro Kiwi or pound US dollar.
Yep.
Then the euro CAD or US dollar CAD. Euro CAD or US dollar CAD.
Yep.
And then the pound yen or the pound Kiwi. Pound yen or pound Kiwi.
Yep. Okay. Okay. For Tuesday leftovers, we have still got Aussie.
Aussie. There was no Aussie pairs in the top 10.
Okay. Let me see then. This starts to come down very close to it, 11 and 12, 13. Those ones, Eusebio. Okay. Aussie, the pound.
The pound, so pound, okay.
CAD.
The CAD, and CAD, okay.
And the US dollar.
And the US dollar. Okay. So we will have the pound US dollar or the pound CAD.
Okay.
So pound US or pound CAD. Then we will have the US dollar CAD or pound yen. US dollar CAD or pound yen.
Okay. Yep.
And then we will have the pound Kiwi or pound Swiss.
Really don't like the Aussie this week.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
As an alternative, you can add perhaps the pound Aussie.
Okay.
Just in case of, yeah.
Okay. And so that's Wednesday. Leftovers from Wednesday, there's nothing. And on Thursday, we've got US dollar.
US dollar, so here and here, okay.
And that's it.
Okay, so not a lot of choice. The pound US dollar or the US dollar card.
Sure, I just did that.
Monday, third line.
Oh, thanks.
No, GU or UCAD. GU or UCAD. Pound US dollar or US dollar CAD.
Okay.
Then you can take the pound yen or the euro kiwi.
Yep.
Pound yen, euro kiwi.
Yep.
And then you can take the pound kiwi or pound CAD.
Right. Leftovers on Thursday is nothing. And on Friday we have the CAD.
The CAD, so here, 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 and here, yeah.
And the US.
And the US, so the US is here and here. Okay. So we will have the US dollar CAD or the pound US, US dollar CAD or pound US, like Thursday, first line.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Yep.
Then we will have the pound CAD or the euro CAD. Pound CAD or euro CAD.
This one will do.
Pound CAD or euro CAD.
I saved a D. Yep.
And then we will have the CAD yen or pound yen. CAD yen or pound yen.
Okay.
CAD yen
Okay.
or pound yen. Yeah.
Yep. Really messy, but okay. So,
yeah, but we have a complete different top 10 list this week.
Yeah, I know that they've changed quite a bit. Okay, so how we work with these is gave you out, supplied the top 10 for the whole week here, matched it up, and a few extras just in case those ones don't work out for you. If for some reason the pound starts going crazy again like it did during Brexit, then you can drop down to something that doesn't move as much but moves a bit more regularly. So less stress but also less money. We don't want to get right into the bottom half of the 28. So that's why we're sort of supplying these. And then on each day, Eusebius match them up with the news coming through. So on each day you have this range up here, which you can use. Don't worry too much about the order. Let's try this one. Wrong. Okay, forget it. These ones up here are your first choices on each day. And then if those ones aren't working out, then you can drop down to these bottom line as the next range of choices. Stop. And I'll put all these up on the website so that you've got access to them.